Hey, it's Hazal. Welcome back to the channel where you learn English through your daily routine, real life, real practice, no pressure. Let me ask you something. What's the first language in your head when you wake up? If it's not English, that's exactly why speaking feels difficult. But today, we're going to change that. You're going to learn 20 simple English sentences you can use every single morning. And more importantly, you're going to speak them with me. No memorizing, no overthinking, just real speaking. So imagine you just woke up. Your day starts now. Let's begin. Wake up, take a breath, and say this. I just woke up. Say it again. I just woke up. Good. Now stretch a little and say, I feel sleepy. Again, I feel sleepy. Now maybe you check your phone. Say this. I need to wake up. Repeat. I need to wake up. Now sit up and say, what time is it? Good. You look around and say, it's a new day. Nice. Now let's go to the next step. You're getting out of bed. Say, I'm getting out of bed. Repeat, I'm getting out of bed. Now you walk to the bathroom. Say, I'm going to the bathroom. Good. You look at yourself in the mirror. I look tired. Again, I look tired. Now you turn on the tap. I'm washing my face. Repeat, I'm washing my face. Maybe the water is cold. The water's cold. Good. Now you grab your toothbrush. I'm brushing my teeth. Say it again. I'm brushing my teeth. Perfect. Now let's move to the kitchen. You feel hungry. Say, I'm feeling hungry. Repeat, I'm feeling hungry. You open the fridge. I'm looking for something to eat. Good. Now you decide, I'm making breakfast. Say it. I'm making breakfast. Maybe something simple. I'm making coffee. Repeat, I'm making coffee. Now take a moment. Smell it. It smells good. Nice. Now sit down and relax a little. I'm eating breakfast. Repeat, I'm eating breakfast. Now think about your day. I have a busy day today. Say it again. I have a busy day today. Or maybe I have a relaxed day today. Good. Now check your plans. What should I do today? Repeat, what should I do today? Now answer yourself. I need to start my day. Say it. I need to start my day. Perfect. Now let's put everything together like a real morning story. Speak with me slowly. I just woke up. I feel sleepy, but I need to wake up. I'm getting out of bed and going to the bathroom. I look tired, so I'm washing my face. Now I'm brushing my teeth. I'm feeling hungry, so I'm making breakfast. I'm making coffee and it smells good. I'm eating breakfast and thinking about my day. I have a busy day today, so I need to start my day. That's it. That's real English. Not perfect, not complicated, but real. Now here's your challenge. Tomorrow morning, don't stay silent. Use at least 5 of these sentences out loud. And in the comments, write, Morning English done. I want to see who is actually practicing, not just watching. If you want more videos like this, Real English for Real Life, subscribe and come back tomorrow. We're building fluency, one daily habit at a time. This is Hazal, and I'll see you in the next one.